I put the ceramic grease, as I said, and now I will put the road in. So first what I need is to align the hole and the pin. So the pin is here. Oh, wait a second, I need something to push the pin in when I, so I can slide the road on. So align, push the pin, and it's locked. It's that easy. We'll put the rubber on, and the part that have a bigger gap is going up. So let's put that baby on. Okay, that's it. Okay, his finger on. And now sorry about that. Okay, so we are putting back on this finger. Yeah, so this nuts goes 13 Newton meters. Let's torque it. Okay. Other side. Okay. So now let's put the lock on. Okay, let's put the rear shaft. So 23 Newton meters. Okay. Rear drive shaft is on. Okay, let's see where we are at, because it's almost 1 and it's time to go home. So we put the swing arm and shaft and rear drive shaft, so everything is there, connected, torqued to the values from manual. I also put this cover on, shifter, everything is greased and ready. We have everything to put everything ready. As you can see, the brakes and everything, but I need to address one problem more, and that is these shocks. I changed the oil was 40 years old, and I cannot remove this motherfucker here, so I put some penetrating oil in it. We will try to heat it, and I don't know, even these pliers that I like a lot, they couldn't help me here, so yeah, we'll leave that for the next time. On this one I also struggled, but I put it off, and I cut the brake line. I will order a new one here at local shop, not original from Kawasaki, but I will give them to made me this hose here, and that's it. Yeah, maybe we could pass with the rear shocks, but while we are here, let's do that properly and not rush. Next time, shocks and the rear tire. Also, in some future video, I will put the battery on, check the electricity, connect everything, and try to start it. See you guys.